Well, we seem to have a little audio on the previous time, so we're retesting the 92s here. We had 5-day balance with a limit at 89 and change. The octant, of course, is 1/8 of the day of the distribution's range, which is 95 and change, 95.75. So we're either looking for cross trade down here in the 91s, or we can wait till the market breaks above the 95.75s and look for an entry, indicating then that it's probably moving back toward the several day balance mean, which is significantly higher than here at the low. So let's see if we can find an area where we can get our long positions established. Somewhere in here would be nice in the 91s, 92s. I'd like to see a retest down here at the 90s and see if we can see a cross trade entrance. We gapped down in the pre-session and significantly about 30 points below yesterday's close. We are here. The deep period just opened up. I think we need to take the 93s, 93 and a quarters. Let's take the 93 and a quarters. There's 300 contracts traded. So we have 93 and a quarters, 2 contracts at 93.25. Our first exit would be, of course, 94.50. And take our point, and we'll put our target significantly above that. We have an 18-point range thus far today. We clicked 94.50, but we did not get filled. We see a 0 there on the sell side. So we have to be a little more patient on the fill there, and then we'll put our stop in once we do get filled. We're clicking 94.50, 94.75. There it is. We have our fill. It was a little bit of a concern here for a minute. We have 4,000 and a cross of 36.41 and a cross of 28. The market wasn't moving any higher than this high at 94.5. We were about to get out of the trade, but we're in the trade. We have our fill at 94.50. We have our stop at 93 and a quarter. So our target now will be 5 points above our 94.50 exit, which would be 99 and a half. 14.99 and a half is our. No, excuse me, that's not correct. 13.94 plus 5 would be 13.99 and a half. Our exit is 13.99 and a half on the other contract. Now, for those individuals that are looking at a break through the octant, we already had almost hit the limit at 89.75. It went down as low as 90.25. So for those that were waiting for the market to hit the limit on a 5-day balanced distribution and then break through the octant, which is 1/8 of the range of that balanced distribution, would be the entry for that type of trading protocol. So right up here around the 95s and change, we should get initiative buying, and we should then see them hit the offer. And we should then rally up to the 99s pretty easy. Even we could potentially get back significantly higher than the 99s. Our 5-point additional target may not be large enough. Once we get back toward the mean, then we should go through and test the other side of the distribution if in fact we do make a balanced day today. So we're going to be patient. We're going to keep our target at 13.99 and see if we can't make this trade. We're going to readjust our exit strategy. Is in the B column, B period, there is some statistically high volume nodes, price levels in the 97 through the lower 98. So we're going to put our target here at the 97 and a half instead of 99 and a half. In fact, if the market can't get back through the 97s, then I would assume we're going to retest the low. So let's put our target there at 97 and a half and see where we go. We still have our stop at 93 and a quarter. We've already taken a point and a quarter. So now we're all set. It's to back and have some breakfast. All right, we can see that they started to hit the offer, hit the ask, up to 97 and a quarter. We have our exit at 97.50. It hasn't ticked there yet. So we're going to be patient and see if we can't get our 97.50 fill. If we do get our 97.50 fill, then we will have taken 1 1/4 points from the first contract and 4 1/4 points on the second contract, which will make 5.5 points, which is a $350 trade, give or take. $300 trade, give or take. See, the market came right back to this area in the B period column where there was some statistical high volume. At 1397 there was 11,000 contracts, 97 1/4, 12,500, 97 1/2, 98, 97 3/4, 10,300. So there's definitely some resistance up here. You can see some of the limit orders being filled here, 4,900 to 32, 48 to 24. This area is definitely acting as resistance. So we're going to adjust our exit strategy. We're going to take the 96.50s. The 96.50s, we're out of the market here on the 33,067 tick there. So we adjusted our exit strategy down a point. So we are out at 1396.50. That gave us 1 1/4 points on the first contract, and it gave us 3 1/4 points on the second contract, which is a 4.5 point trade. 4.5 points is approximately $225 minus commission.